Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the new Chet Baker box set that came out by Craft Recordings. This was cut by Kevin Gray from the Analog Master tapes, pressed at RTI. And this is kind of a compliment to the Chet Baker Sings that came out on Record Store Day in mono. But so far the box looks really nice. It's like a linen material. Chet is kind of silk screened on there. I'm guessing you get the 4 albums, analog. The outtakes and alternates more than likely are digital. There's kind of a track listing and the albums you're getting. So far by the outer box, it looks extremely well made. There's all the records there at the spine. Really, really nice. Really heavy duty laminate cover. A little schmutz on there, but tip-on jacket. Actually, this is significantly higher quality than the Record Store Day issue. The Record Store Day version, the Chet Baker Sings in mono, was just a generic, it's a Saunington jacket, but it wasn't that heavy laminate finish. Real nice polyline sleeve. Has the original Riverside stereo labels. That is really nice. I really dig how manufacturers are really getting on board with doing these analog jazz reissues. And not only that, but going all out on the jacket. Chet Baker Sings. A really nice jacket. This would be similar to, like, you know, the Blue Note Tone Poets, the non-gatefolded versions. Or if, you know, Music Matters, for instance, was a single disc, this is kind of what you'd have. Maybe the cover scanned as opposed to the Music Matters, but you know what? The covers look pretty high quality. They, you know, no issues with the vinyl. Yeah, more than likely, these were actually, it's tough to tell. I mean, they're high enough quality that they could have been assembled from original negatives. If not, they were scanned really nicely. Chet in stereo. Fantastic album. You know, the mono version of Chet Baker Sings sounded fantastic, the Record Store Day version. Really clean. No issues with the vinyl. The only thing I'm noticing is there's these little divots on the label. I mean, obviously it doesn't affect the play and the vinyl looks perfect, but that's really the only thing you could complain about on this box. But after Record Store Day, I was kind of expecting the generic jackets, but I'm glad they're the laminate finish. Really nice. Really clean, really clean. I'm actually going to give these a listen to right after this video. is the outtakes and alternates. Craft is a really interesting label. Some of the stuff they do is analog, it's spectacular. A lot of the stuff they do though is also cheap digital, but they're kind of getting a little bit more on board with doing the analog reissues. Let's see what we got here. Really cool. Really nice, kind of a linen paper. And we got a little wax envelope here. Fantastic, look at that. So yeah, you would think they did recreate these from the photos, because I'm guessing they needed that to, the negatives to do that. Although that is yeah, that's fantastic. Boy, I wish they would do a mono version of the same box. It would be fantastic. You know, I'm gonna have to do some research on this. You would think that because this is kind of a bunch of outtakes, generally that gets done in the digital domain, but it's got Kevin Gray on it, so even if it is digital, it's gonna be really well done, I'm sure. All right, Chet Baker, the Legendary Riverside Albums box set. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Until next time.